The space industry is booming. It's expected to double in the next 5 years, making it a $1 trillion space economy. But there are big threats to this growth and to spaceflight safety. These threats are orbital debris, which frequently makes the news. The inability to safely manage the over 100,000 satellites being put on orbit in the next 10 years, and military threats. Together, these problems threaten astronauts, satellites, the International Space Station, our military satellites, and the upcoming $1 trillion global annual space economy. Launchspace's solution is to put sensor satellites in space to watch over everything, and orbital debris removal spacecraft to remove orbital debris. The sensor satellites detect and track orbital debris, satellites, and space-based national security threats from our adversaries. Launchspace plans to use their patented technology to remove orbital debris from low Earth orbit. Launchspace expects subscription-based revenues for the foreseeable future. This includes revenue from the data from the sensor satellites and revenue from removing orbital debris. Because of the exponential growth in the space industry, these problems will always need a solution. Launchspace can solve these problems. Launchspace is working with NASA under the only Space Act agreement to develop technology for a commercial solution for orbital debris removal. We are currently on the International Space Station with SkyCorp to measure orbital debris. We did a funded study for the Space Force to prove that our national security sensor satellite solution will detect threats from adversaries that currently can't be seen. We expect a contract to get sensor technology from the government for our sensor satellite solution. We have a contract with Airbus to put our orbital debris technology on the International Space Station, where Airbus is waiving millions of dollars in fees to Launchspace. As of now, Launchspace will have the only commercial orbital debris removal solution on the International Space Station. Launchspace Technologies, protecting space and the upcoming $1 trillion global space economy. Please share in our vision and invest in Launchspace Technologies. All investors are invited to our planned launch in 18 months when Airbus will put our orbital debris solution onto the International Space Station.